Hello guys, how are you? I hope everyone is happy. Guys, today coming to drink coconut milk smoothie, and this cute beautiful lady making coconut milk smoothie for us. Guys, let's see how she making coconut milk smoothie. Guys, see, our coconut milk smoothie is almost ready, and guys, see, really look too much delicious, and see, maintain too much hygienic, and that reason this shop is very famous and popular all over the world. And guys, see, this is our Thailand special thanda coconut milk smoothie.